Digital sensor type COD 351H, independently developed by Delifino, comes with its own cleaning brush. The following demonstrates the operation of replacing the cleaning brush of the sensor. Remove sensors and accessories. We need an Allen wrench and a spare cleaning brush. Use the Allen wrench to align the screw hole at the end of the cleaning brush. Turn to loosen the screw. Remove the cleaning brush. Insert the end of the spare cleaning brush into the screw hole. Press and then tighten the screw with an Allen wrench. After tightening the screws, the cleaning brush replacement is completed. The fixing screws are small accessories. If they are lost, 2 spare fixing screws are included with the package.